What is the best way to incorporate speakers in my kitchen without wiring? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's episode. Let's go. Welcome back, Dream Media family. So today we're standing in my personal kitchen, and I actually installed whole house audio, music, speakers in my kitchen. Imagine that. And guess what, guys? I have the best of both worlds. I have wired and wireless speakers, so I can definitely talk on this topic for you. If you guys are considering adding in speakers to your kitchen, I would say that it's a must-have location in the house. The wiring aside, kitchen speakers change the vibe, right? When you come home and you're ready to cook or entertain, or you wake up in the morning, I mean, pretty much the kitchen is the heart of the home. And in my kitchen, my speakers are bumping pretty much 24/7 around the clock. And it matches what's going on in our life. So let's dive into the question of speakers, wireless, wired. Can you install speakers in your kitchen wirelessly? Let me just address that right now. Yes. You guys were asking, is it easy to do? Do I need a lot of wiring to have speakers in my kitchen? Well, I have solutions. We have solutions at Dream Media for both. So let's talk about specifically what I have in this exact room. So I'm gonna be taking my camera right here. Actually, I'll take our main camera here, and I'm gonna be detaching it from our rig, and I'm gonna be taking you guys through my kitchen and showing you exactly what I've done right here. So if you guys look up here on the ceiling, I have in-ceiling speakers, and that is an in-ceiling speaker. Now guys, up on top of my cabinets, I actually installed two receptacles, a power outlet, just like this. And what I did is I plugged into it. I'm gonna climb up on my kitchen counter now. I can only do this because it's my house. And I'm gonna show you guys what's going on up here. So we actually have a Sonos SL up here. And then over here on this side, look guys, we got another Sonos speaker. And you can see they're both on their side. What's happening is these speakers are firing up to the ceiling and reflecting down and out, actually filling this space really, really well. So I got those two speakers. The current versions would be the Era 100s. That's what you need to look up on our website. Era 100s require zero wiring. They're from Sonos. They connect over your wireless network and just work. Check this out. This here, guys, this is called a Roam. A Sonos Roam. And the Roam, literally you can just unplug it and take it anywhere. Look at this. I got it plugged in, unplugged, and I could just carry this thing right outside like this. And boom, now I got speaker audio out here. And this speaker wirelessly will connect with the rest of my house. That's what's so cool. So if I took this out here into the backyard, this speaker, the Roam, could connect with my weatherproof speakers that are actually hardwired into my whole house audio system, still part of the Sonos system. There's one there, and there's one here. In addition to out here in the yard, I got these rock speakers, you can see, and I got all of these landscape speakers spread out. What's really cool is this speaker here can pair together with all of those speakers. In addition to, now that we're back here in the kitchen, guys, the in-ceiling speakers that are a part of my surround sound system over in the formal. So this right here is connected with my formal. And my formal room has a really high-end setup from RBH featuring their AMT tweeters and really high output speaker technology. I have 8-inch RBH woofers and the AMT tweeters and these in ceilings as well. So like this whole room here performs at a very, very high level. But then in my kitchen, I felt like it wasn't like fully complete, right? Like it sounded amazing over there whenever we were chilling and hanging out, you know, watching a movie, or if I want to listen to music in that exact room, it sounded good. But I'm always walking around, right? Like this right now, I'm walking from room to room, or we're entertaining. So I need the audio to be consistent from room to room. And I think that's what I love so much about custom integration and Sonos, is that I have the ability to combine wireless and wired products together. So cool. All right, guys, so I took you through my house and showed you some examples on how you can quickly and easily add speakers to your kitchen with zero wiring. I also showed you how I incorporated in existing wiring. So if you have a home that has some existing wiring, let's utilize it. Wired is always going to be better, guys. The more wireless devices you throw on your network, it's going to slow that down. Whereas we could put a streamer in your rack and have that same stream go to 12 different zones throughout your entire home, and you're not gonna see any delays, any problems with latency. Sonos is my ecosystem here. Sonos has wireless and wired options as well. So in the system that I'm showing off, we have a Sonos port, which is actually just giving us a Sonos feed to our Marantz AVR, which is powering up our full surround system in the Formal. So the Formal is a 5.4.4 Dolby Atmos system, and it's being powered and processed through AVRs from Audio Control with clean Class H amplification, and then the Marantz processing the Dolby Atmos. So how do we get Sonos into it? Well, I have an input that the Sonos port outputs out of. So then whenever we grab our URC control panel here, guys, and we want to select what we want to do in that room, it just automatically all switches over for me, right? So like right now, you can see we got Going to the Party, Alabama Shakes in the Formal. If I hit start, it should already, there we go. It should already be queued up and ready to go. This stuff is supposed to be intuitive and easy to use. So like if I go to my Formal now, see how it says Sonos? It's not technically Sonos powering it. It's just Sonos's feed. It's adding this to the Sonos ecosystem. So if I go to my Formal, I have entertainment options for Apple TV and Xfinity, as well as under music, the Sonos. So when you have surround sound zones like that, and you want to add it in, it requires a little bit more programming so that Sonos does appear on your control system, right? Again, we're using URC, but it doesn't matter what control system you have. Here at Dream Media, we want to bring it all under one umbrella and make it easy to use. So wireless speakers can be combined with hardwired speakers. I have a full AVR run in this room. I have just a Sonos amp powering those patio speakers, and then I have a 70 volt URC amp powering my landscape speakers that are in the ground out there. But again, I have a port plugged into the landscape audio 70 volt system. So every single thing in my home has the Sonos backbone. So you're gonna select, whenever you talk with our consultants, a distributed audio, whole house audio backbone. And my favorite is Sonos because I can use wireless and wired products easily and combine them together to where you guys as the customers or myself as a homeowner, I can't tell a difference, right? I want the whole house to operate as one big system that I can either have music going separately in, say, the primary bedroom and bathroom, and have a different thing going up in the movie room, and then have this whole lower level playing music. The options are endless. The name of the game here, guys, is complete and total independent zone control. Every single room, you should have the ability to control shades, control lighting, music, the whole 9 yards. But I know I'm getting a little off topic. This video was about, can you add speakers wirelessly without wires? Is it difficult to get audio into your kitchen? The answer is no, guys. It's not hard. It's simple. Give us a call. We got a bunch of products. We can even just set a speaker on your counter if you want to make it super, super easy. We can do the Sonos Era 100s in an in-ceiling enclosure that we sell from Fruits and Associates that would hide that speaker and make it disappear completely, yet still being wireless, not connecting with an Ethernet cable. requires high voltage power, but not wireless completely. So there's a lot of things to consider here, guys. So many different options. And here at Dream Media, we love this stuff. We're geeks. We love talking about all the different options. And really what it is problem solving and creating a solution, a game plan as early as possible. So if you're doing a new construction at home, I urge you to reach out today for that consultation and get us in on the ground level. If you're doing a remodel, same thing. The earlier, the better. If we can plan these things out and get the appropriate products in every single location, we're gonna find success to where you have one seamless ecosystem. If you're piecemealing it together with a bunch of different brands, it could be challenging to have that seamless experience. So today, we can officially announce that we can add speakers to any kitchen. So I hope that I answered that question of, can you add the speakers easily without wiring, or do you need wiring for audio in the kitchen? Guys, that's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make that buying decision. If you would like to purchase, please reach out to Dream Media. We make these videos and all we ask for is your support. We ship nationwide. We have installers in 28 states, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business, guys. All right. That's all I got for you. If you like the video, thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media. Thanks for watching, guys.